Today we're making lime pickled radishes. My go-to book. It's well loved. Fresh lime juice. Squeeze. Coriander, salt, local honey, sugar, add water. Chop, 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 chop. Add red onion. More chopping. Try not to cry. Separate red onion layers and mix in with your radishes. Mix. 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 All mixed up. Bring brine to boil. Pack freshly sanitized jars. Pour over hot mixture with room. Cap and tighten. Look at this beautiful color. Use as taco garnish in quesadillas or on sandwiches. Yum!